نازی با تنازی خوش اومدی به قلبم با تو عاشقی کردم میخوام داره
Hey everyone, how are you today? Welcome to Travel Buddies. Did you watch the previous video? How did you like it? Per our tradition, I'd like to mention that we have dedicated this channel to show you the reality of Iran, to show you things media wouldn't really want you to see. So, if we have made you interested, then like this video and subscribe to our channel, because the more is yet to come. You should also know we neither engage in politics nor religious activities or statements, and we definitely don't tolerate violence and hate speech. So thank you for respecting our decision. The world is cruel enough. Let us be kind to each other. I have realized something. Who am I kidding? Okay, I've been told that I haven't actually introduced Iran as a whole yet. It's really embarrassing. I am truly sorry for that, but today I'm gonna do that. We're gonna do that. You might have heard some stuff from your media or on any sort of platform you use and follow, but our goal is to tell and show the truth, so here it goes. Iran, or as some prefer, Persia, is a country located in Middle East. Currently, the population is over 85 millions, I think, and the capital is Tehran, which we all knew at some point. But let's go back in time, about 2,000 years ago, when there was a great empire with great power and knowledge, Persia, and a dynasty called Hachameneshian, which, if you remember from some of previous vlogs, we showed you Shiraz and Pasargad, which was the capital in that era. For centuries, Iran was the greatest, with huge army and the best kings and queens. We have never given to slavery or anything horrible like that. We have always been living by 3 simple rules: good thoughts, good attitude, good talk, which are the 3 rules by Zarathustra, the Iranian prophet. Over the years, many different dynasties have come and gone, and over these eras, there have been so many wars, which has led to lose parts of the country until about 1,500 years ago. Islam came on board and became the main religion of the country. And after that, it stayed with the dynasties. But more than 40 years ago, the kingdom fell apart and turned into republic, Islamic Republic. The rules became strict and so many things have been banned ever since. Now, I don't want to go to that path, so let's just say I taught you a little piece of history. Our neighbors are Turkey, Iraq, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and etc. We have the Persian Gulf, which lots of islands are on it, and there is the Caspian Sea, which we share with some neighbors. Iran is filled with culture and history, which has made it into one of the best tourist attractions and destinations. If you don't live here or you haven't visited yet, keep it in mind that you have a lot to see. It's also a four-season country. I'm not gonna lie or pretend everything is fine and life is easy and rainbows and all, because that's not true. There are some sanctions which make everything harder, and the dollar rate rises every day, turns our money's value to almost nothing. But people are still living. They're trying their best to stay positive and happy. And that is something nobody can take away from a Persian person. If you are interested in Iran and its beauty and history, stay tuned to our channel because we have so much more to show you. For now, enjoy the rest of the video and comment what you think. Take care of yourself. All the love.